In this video, I will show you how to send Google Calendar invite by email. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Google Calendar on your device. So make sure you're also signed in into your account. Now to create an event, click on this plus button at the top left of your screen, and then in here simply select event. So click on event. So it is the first option that you have when creating an event on your Google Calendar. Click on that. And then this will pop on your screen. So you need to incorporate a title for this event. And then under the guest section, you'll just need to enter the email of the specific individual that you want to invite for this event. So once you enter their email, and once you have saved this event, an email will be sent to their account regarding this event. So you just need to simply select the location of the event, incorporate the description or a Google Drive attachment if you actually have an invitation for this event. So you can also set the time and date once you scroll up. So above the guest list, you'll be able to find the option to set the time and day for this event. So simply select the time and day for the event. And if you have differing time zones with your guests, you can also set the time zone, which you'll find here. So click on that. And as you can see, you can use separate start and end time zones. So you just need to simply select your time zone. So I'll simply use my current time zone for this event. And then once you save this event, you'll be able to find a pop-up. So click on save, and then this will pop on your screen. So simply select send. So would you like to send an invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Simply select send to be able to send an invite email to those guests that you have on your event. And that's basically how you can send Google Calendar invite by email.